Mom, please buy me this cat.
We already have 10 cats.
But it can dance.
All right, let's buy it.
All right, class, show me your dancing pets. The winner gets an enchanted necklace that gives you whatever you wish for. Taylor, go first.
Teacher, I brought a pig that can dance.
What? You failed. Henry, you're next.
Teacher, I brought a double squat.
Don't you want me like I want you, babe?
It is a dancing competition. You fail. Now, Billy, bring your cat to stage.
Teacher, my cat is so good at breakdance.
What? It can't dance. You fail.
It can only dance if people like the video.
She was more like a beauty queen.
Wow, that's so good. But the most liked comment